Especially in the academic side of architecture, we do a lot of material experimentation. The overlap is a little bit on the making side in terms of prototyping, mock-up, scale model that we do in the design process. We are in the early stages of testing some designs for non-medical face masks. It's a bit more than a glorified scarf. It's a bit less than an N95. They're not intended to be for medical staff in contact with anyone who's infected, but they have been requested by Fairview Medical System as a way of providing secondary care. We're experimenting with what we have for tools here, which are a few of our more industrial level laser cutters that can go pretty fast. We're doing a lot of the prototyping on the Mini to kind of see if we can get some of the geometry right for our faces, and then we'll scale up on the other two bosses. What we're hoping to do for design is to create a single cut, single piece mask that can fit around the ears and provide as much filtering as possible. We have a couple of machines that are capable of cutting as much as 3/4 inch plywood. So if we can layer up fabric, we are pretty confident that we can cut through layers of fabric really quickly. And with the complement of a face shield, we're pretty sure that even in a remote circumstance that we can provide a lot better protection than nothing.